It's Christmas time and I would like to wish everyone over here Merry Christmas! Festival of Stars and All Goa Carol Singing Competition. Father says it is presentation, so we all have to say it is presentation. Carol Singing presentation. And I'm very happy to see the number of participants. The festival is growing bigger and bigger. 4 वर्सां जाली आमी हे फेस्टिवल चालू केल्यार. पयलेच फावटी आमकां म्हाका दिसता 200 एंट्री आहल्यो, 150-200. Every year it is growing in numbers. This year आमच्या आखे टिमान जे एफर्ट्स घातल्या, आमची टीम म्हणजे धाकटुले भुरगे हिंगा फुडल्यान आहा पळय ते, they have worked very hard under the guidance of Professor Pradeep, Shivram, Dominic, Edwin and all the other team, Anil, नावा सगळ्यांची घेयना. The entire team has worked very hard. So let us hear for them, the entire team who has done the Festival of Stars. It is not that easy to organize. And finally, what is required is little bit of financial support. My dear friend Jeevan has helped me in this function. Is the managing director of Hotel Park Regis in Arpara. A lot of Goans are working over there. Can we have it for Jeevan? Thank you, Jeevan ji. Our father has blessed this Festival of Stars from the day one, because he inaugurated the first Festival of Stars when he came over here. Thank you, Father Alex. Our ex-speaker and MLA of Calangute constituency and long-time Sarpanch has been our motivating force, because he always is behind Konkani, आमची मायभास. आणि रोमी स्क्रिप्टान कोंकणी प्रोमोट करपा खातीर तो वावुरता आख्खे गोंयभर. जावं ते मांडे, वन एक्ट प्लेज, तियात्र आनी ही माची दिवपाक, स्टेज दिवपाक, भुरग्यांक तयार करपाक तो खूब वावुरता. तेजी आख्खी टीम जी वावुरता तेंकां हांव दिनवासता. आणि he has done and he is doing a lot of things for Goa, and I want to also thank the motivating people behind over here, all the ward members, the sarpanchas of Kandalim, Calangute, Arpara Nagwa, ZP member, and all you people, especially the youth who motivate me to do all these festivals and functions in our village Parra and across whatever development we do. तुमच्या फोर्सान हांव हे डेव्हलपमेंट करता. Thank you very much for blessing us, for giving us your strength, and I strongly believe that you all the youth are the stars of the future. Youth म्हणजे आमची स्टार. आयज आमी Christmas celebrate करता, and the significance is the star, and I strongly believe that every youth who is present over here is the star of tomorrow. Because future जो तर country एक उत्तली आणि गोट उत्तली, एकवटान आमी युनिटीन आमी फुडें वयतले जाल्यार the youth is very important, and the star significant म्हणजे youth eyes. And let all the stars who are over here shine, and your shine may go all over Goa and India, and the strength and the unity of the youth remain strong for a stronger and vibrant India. I want to wish once again Merry Christmas to everyone who is present over here. Jikke lok hinga ha ani na soglleank Merry Christmas, and thank you for coming over here to celebrate this Festival of Stars and Carol Singing presentation. Thank you. God bless.